Hey, good afternoon, guys. So I'm sorry, I'm actually not at school today. I actually have a doctor's appointment. I'm actually getting a COVID test. Um, Not sick, not because I might have COVID, but I have another appointment on Friday for some. I don't. They're doing some kind of procedure on me on Friday, and they need for me to take a COVID test. So this afternoon I have to go and get that test. So that's why I'm not here. With that said, you do have a test on Friday. So today is our review day. What I've put in the peer deck that's on the Google Classroom is a review on similar figures and a little bit of unit rates because this is what's going to be on your test. So your test will be on Friday. Now, like I kind of briefly mentioned, I have a procedure on Friday, so I'm actually going to be out also on Friday. Luckily, it's a test day, so it kind of works out for us. But I won't see you guys until next week. So I hope you guys stay safe, be responsible, don't just completely ignore this and be like, "Oh, yay, I'm free," because that's not the right approach. This is your last test of the 9 weeks, and from here, I mean, next week your report cards are done. So we want to take this one a little bit more seriously than the past because a lot of us are kind of really struggling with our grades. We want to try to pull off a nice grade on this test. So, with that said, you want to review your notes. I have it all in the pear deck. You want to review your notes on similar figures and on unit rates. There is a quizzes on unit rates, and then there's a bunch of practice problems on the peer deck for similar figures and unit rates. Complete those. I gave you the answers, but don't just flip through and get the answers. It's not going to help you in any way. So the idea is that you work out the problem and then you can check your answer so you can know whether you're right or wrong. So with that said, I'll let you guys go. Please be responsible. Do not give the sub a hard time. Any names he or she's gonna jot them down for me, and then we'll have to take care of them when we get back. When I get back. But with that said, be safe and take care. I'll see you guys next week.